Hi, welcome to the wedding of Josie and Robert, full of wedding ideas. The couple chose a romantic rose gold colour scheme. The reception room was dressed beautifully, with rose gold chair drapes and a matching table runner beneath tall vase centrepieces holding floral displays. Each guest had a rose gold name placement and personalised chocolate as a favour. They chose a 3-tiered wedding cake with a soft, elegant design. The bottom tier is blush pink, the middle has a marble effect with gold detailing, and the top is ivory. It's decorated with a cascade of flowers in white, blush, and deep rose tones, and it's finished with a custom acrylic topper. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do, I do, I do, I do, I do. Two coffee dates at dawn and dancing in the rain. Each day beside you showed this love would stay the same. Now we're standing face to face with our future in our hands. Everything just feels so right as the world begins to dance. I do. Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do, I do, I do, I do. From this moment on till forever comes, every single day I'll choose us, I'll choose love. First time I saw you smile across the room, my feet moved forward, couldn't help but groove. Something in the way you swayed that night made me believe that timing was right. Spinning faster with each passing day, holding closer, letting music play. Moving forward, never looking back, following this perfect track. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Remember Paris in the pouring rain, we kept on dancing, didn't mind the rain. Through the seasons, through the passing years, every moment brought us here. Time is moving like a perfect song, two hearts beating, can't go wrong. Feel the rhythm of this special day as the music starts to play. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. From that first slow dance to this precious chance, all the world standing still as our hearts fulfill. Beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every Every step that we take makes us feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you.
Heart beating fast, looking at my dress, can't believe we're here at last. Mom's helping with my hair, everything's in place. Friends arriving soon, got a smile on my face. Walking down that aisle, can't help but cry and smile. You're standing there waiting, my heart is celebrating. This was the best day of my life. Everything felt so right when you held me tight. This was the best day of my life. Saying I do with tears in my eyes, family all around us, blue summer skies. First dance together, spinning round and round, our favorite song playing, feet barely touch the ground. Everyone we love here, the moment crystal clear. Two hearts united now, making...
Thanks for watching. If you're planning your big day, don't forget to take a look at our online wedding shop all about weddings. It's filled with beautiful, budget-friendly finds to help you plan the wedding of your dreams without breaking the bank. We've handpicked everything from bridesmaids' gifts to favours, confetti and centrepieces, and loads more, all at a price you'll love. Affordable, stylish and stress-free, let's make your day unforgettable together. Head over to our shop, the link is in the description, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us to reach more couples planning their big day.